Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to my channel. My name is Simon Apadaka, a chartered accountant and QuickBooks Advanced Certified Pro Advisor Online. Today, we are looking at the another topic in QuickBooks. That's product and services set up in QuickBooks Online. You are welcome. There are four types of product and services in QuickBooks Online that can be set up. We have the non-inventory item, we have the service item, the bundle, and the inventory item. Non-inventory items. These are items bought by the company with the intention of selling same to customer, but the company do not intend to keep track of such item. Service items are intangible products that are sellable to customers. This is not trackable as an inventory item, e.g., legal fee and accountancy service fee. We need to set up the item because we need to track the income and we need to map it to our chart of account. That is the essence of setting up a service item, such that when you are raising invoice to your customer, you can actually select the type of service you have rendered to the customer. It could be a legal service, it could be accountancy service. Next, we move to bundle. A bundle is an assemblage of more than one inventory items, which is available for sale, e.g., phone starter pack that is made up of the handset and SIM card. So this phone and the SIM card are the actual inventory item, but they have been packaged together and they are being presented or made available to the customer for sales as a single item. QuickBooks has a provision for handling the bundle store item. The next is inventory item. This is the regular inventory that are kept in the warehouses or in the store of a distribution or a fast-moving consumer goods company. They are actually stored for the purpose of the selling it to customers and clients. So these are good bought by the company with the intention of selling same to customers, and the company also intend to keep track of the quantity of the item in store per time. This is necessary for the purpose of control and planning. This is necessary for the purpose of control and planning. So next we'll look at how we are going to map these products and services to chart of account in QuickBooks Online, because each product and service must be mapped to the relevant income account in the chart of account. And you can start this by clicking on the jar icon, then select the product and services under the list, then click on new on the top right corner to begin setup of a product and services. Populate accordingly. We'll move into QuickBooks Online to see how this is done. Okay, let me clear out. So let's start from the beginning. You click on the jar icon. This is the jar icon. This is the list item, and you select product and services. So it brings you to this page where you click on new. You are trying to set up a new product or a service. It pops up another window. What type of product do we want to set up? Is it an inventory item? Is it non-inventory? Is it a service item? Is it a bundle? Let's try and set up an inventory item for this company, and we'll map it to the income account. This is a gas distribution company. So setting up 100 kg gas. The storekeeping unit, that SKU, put it as 100 kg gas. Category, this is where the mapping starts. What income type are we looking at? Sales of gas, cooking gas. I think if we're not satisfied with this category, we can add another one. But for this purpose, we can take it as the category that the income category we are mapping this. The sales of this product to is gas. That's sales of gas. And if there are classification within the company, you can also classify. You can classify it as a division of gas. So, do you have any quantity on hand before? Zero quantity. Since there are no quantity on hand, we're just creating it. So, the inventory account, to which inventory account do you intend to keep this? QuickBooks has suggested inventory assets account. For this purpose, we can accept the suggestion of QuickBooks. And then further description, you can see put it as 100 kg cooking gas, if you like. The selling price, for this purpose, we can put it at 25,000 naira. So the income account that it goes to is cooking gas sales account. It's a cooking gas sales account. The inventory account that will take it in as inventory is inventory of assets, which we have selected, and we have also selected the category under which this item falls. It falls under gas. So we have set up the income account. So anytime this product is sold, it will be credited to the cooking gas income account. And we can also set up the cost of sales account, which is the cost of sales account. By default has been proposed. QuickBooks has proposed cost of sales account, which I will accept. If you know the cost per unit, the landed cost per unit for this product, we can actually put it for this purpose. I might put 20,000. If we have a preferred supplier, we can actually, it's optional, you can put it, but since I don't have any preferred supplier in mind now, I can actually save and close it. So each time you want to sell this product, it suggests the selling price of 25,000 naira, and the cost of sales will be charged with 20,000 naira. You can see I have the option of save and close or save and new. If I intend to set up another product, what do we have? As of date, for initial quantity on hand is required. The initial quantity on hand should be 0. Today is 25th. Save and new. So that is how to set up a product and services in QuickBooks. I'll just give you an example of setting up of inventory item. You might want to change to another type. service item. Let's look at service item. So to set up a service item, perhaps accountancy fee. We might not need the SKU, it's a service item. And the category here is, we can add category as services. The class is also optional. I can put geo-friendly. That's the sister division of this company rendering the services. So description, accountancy services. So this I sell this product or service to my customer. That's correct. So since the fee might not be fixed, we might propose an income aid for services. Do you have any income aid for services? We might create one. Accountancy fee. So because we are creating a new income aid in the chart of account, that's why it pops up this window. We can quickly map it out and create it. It's an income type. What type of detail type is a service income, service stroke, a service fee. So accountancy fee, copy and paste, create, save and close. So I've created that income account. We can then save and close. That is how to create product and services in QuickBooks Online. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel.